I had what I thought was my dream job, and I got fired. And through a lot of soul searching, I eventually realized that I did not want to work for anyone else ever again, and I've never looked back. I never know how to answer this question. Should I start like my name is, or just my name is Sonja Rasula. I am an entrepreneur and the founder of Unique Markets. The thing that I like the most about what I do is having the freedom to do whatever I want, and also to be able to engage and cultivate such a great creative community. In today's class, we're going to be going over analytics and goal setting. We're going to create a brand Bible. I'm going to help you tighten up your website and make it fabulous. And then we're going to be creating templates for social media and going through how to improve your social media feeds. Nothing in this class is rocket science. It's basic stuff, but really important tools that you need in your toolkit. I think the reason why I'm so passionate about helping small, independent designers, business owners, and entrepreneurs is because we tend to not get those skills. We're artists, we're creatives. The thing is, all of the giant corporations and all of the C-suite leaders get a lot of training, and so I feel like they're just set up to succeed, and I want to make sure that you are set up to succeed. I'm really excited for today's class. Let's get started.